Welcome to today's recipe, which is black beans aka Njahi. As you can see, they were very delicious. Keep it here for the full recipe. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you, and kindly remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting the channel. We appreciate you, we love and value you. Thank you for always watching our videos. To preheated oil, add a big red onion and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Add red capsicum and allow them to cook for a few minutes. Then add grinded spring onions, ginger, garlic and coriander stems. All the ingredients are on the description box down below. Add tomato puree, add barbecue sauce to your preference, add salt to taste to your preference, add some water to allow the ingredients to cook evenly for a few minutes without sticking to the pot. Add spices of choice. I used chilies and curry powder. The spices are optional. Alternatively, you can use herbs like thyme and oregano, or not use any spices at all. Then add the pre-boiled black beans. Ensure they are fully cooked during the boiling process, as if they are not cooked, some will be hard and they will not be edible and sweet. To enhance the thickness of the curry, you can remove some of the black beans and then mash them and then return to the main meal, as you can see in the process. Black beans are also called turtle beans, and they date back at least 7,000 years when they were staple food for Central and South Americans. Now you know. Njahi, as they are known in Kenya, are also called lablab bean, and it is a very important local crop among the Gikuyu people in the central part of Kenya, and it is a main delicacy on their menu. If you have come across this channel for the first time, kindly don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for weekly videos. Thank you for watching this video. As always, we appreciate and value your feedback. Thank you for always supporting the channel. May God bless you for us. Keep it here for weekly videos.